how to manage delegate access on Godaddy easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it. First open your browser and then click account settings. Now go to my profile and then scroll down until you find delegate access, and and now go to this one here. If you want to see accounts, you can access just here we'll find it, and you can request access if you want, and here you can give people access to your account, and that's it. Just click invite to access and type here name and email, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.